is up? Welcome to another Urban Master experiment. So today's project will upgrade my already cool LED headlights to a set of even cooler LED headlights. Let's check them out. So Amazon seller Zmoon sent me a set of these headlights. They feature a halo and a turn signal option. It should be really cool. So let's take a look. And that's what we got in the box. Nice. Well, actually they look very similar to my existing dark LED ones, except for this feature, as they call it, Angel Halo, that doubles as the halo and a turn signal. There were some mixed reviews about them having the polarity switched and not fitting properly, so let's try to install it and see how this is gonna work out. Well, first we gotta remove the grill to get access to the headlights. I've done it 4 times already. I have a pretty detailed video on how to do that. Make sure to check out the video of me upgrading these OEM headlights to these LED ones and also comparing 3 different sets of headlights. There will be a link in the description. The grill's off. And now there are 4 T15 bolts. And the headlight is out. Well, now looking at the new headlight is quite a bit lighter and a bit shallower than this one. I got this one off of Amazon as well. I don't remember the seller, but I'll have a link in the description. This has been really good to me. I had it for nearly a year and no issues. First, let's plug it in and see if it works. Damn. Let's do a wall comparison. So on the left, I have my original dark LED, and on the right is the new one. By comparison to OEM, the dark LED was so much brighter. Alright, let's see the high beam. Man. And here's the high beam. So bright. Nice. One of the Amazon reviews said that the polarity was reversed for the high and low beam. Well, that's not the case for me. It works fine. Nice. We got the halo. And the turn signal. And there we have it. The red wire is a halo and the green wire is a turn signal. Prior to this install, I did some research and watched a couple of videos of people installing their headlights with halo and turn signals. And quite honestly, I didn't like any of their approaches. So I have a different idea of how I'm gonna install this. So check this out. I got this set of inline wired C-clips that I got off of Amazon. I'll have a link in the description. And I'm going to tap into my blinkers and the position lights, and that will power my turn signals. And for the connection of the light itself, I will have a wire running behind the headlight assembly to this C-clip. So first, let me make a connector, and that's how much I'll need. So I'll need 2 for each side. I'm using the 18 gauge wire, but you could probably get away with something even smaller than that. The OEM wire seems to be a little thinner. It's probably 20 or maybe even 22. I got this really handy set of wires, and I'm going to make 1 red and 1 green. Now for the headlight side, I'm just simply going to use these connectors, and they seem to be a perfect size for the super tight fit. The silicone side fits just perfect inside of this connector. Let's make the wire connectors. I'm gonna strip about a centimeter twist it up. Put the connector on. And squeeze. Just perfect. Same thing on the other side. All right. One down, 3 more to go. Cool. One side is done. So now I'm going to tap into the turn signals and the positional lights. Not sure which wire is which, but at this point it doesn't matter. The process is exactly the same. And that's how you install the self-tapping wire adapters. So let's test this first. Still, I don't know which one is which, but if anything I can just swap them. Alright, the yellow light is on, so that means I gotta swap the wires. Cool, so this is the running light halo. Now let's try the turn signal. Sweet, and this is the turn signal. It is blinking fast because the other turn signal is not connected, but once the load is right, it should go back to normal. And of course, the headlight is working as well. Now that everything has been tested and everything works, I can install it now. And this is the cool part, the silicone covers, they fit just right inside of this housing. And the connection is pretty nice and tight. And now the other one. And just for the good measure, I secure it with the black tape. This is a perfect connection, not going anywhere. And now I can install the headlight. And I'm going to reuse the existing turn signal wire housing for the new wires. And this looks really good. No cutting wires, no soldering, and a nice clean job. Okay, let's compare the two headlights in action now. So this is the low beam. And it is significantly brighter than my old dark LED ones. But structurally, except for the halo, they look exactly the same. Let's try the high beam. Oh yeah, way brighter. And of course, for the true comparison, I just have to install the grill. I was a bit skeptical about having a turn signals in my headlight, but I actually do like it a lot. Especially not a full halo, but just the size. Okay, let's do the other side now. So we got a perfect fit here. One thing I found useful is offsetting these clips a little bit so they fit better. So the white with green actually goes to the red wire, as we learned on the other side. Okay, first the halo. Perfect. And now the turn signal. Nice. Now that I tested everything works, I can install it. First get the headlight in and then send my wires along the wires for the turn signals. And just like on the other side, I'm going to reuse the wire protector from the turn signals. Perfect. And now the last step, installing the grill. So here are the hazards. And this is my halo driving light. Here's the low beam and a high beam. Low beam and a high beam. I'm not sure if the camera picks this up, but the left side seems to be a bit redder than the right side. And that's how I installed the LED headlights with a halo and a turn signal option. And once again, thanks to Zmoon for hooking me up with this cool looking headlights. So that is it, another successful project. And if you like this video, share it with your friends, like and subscribe. Take it easy, guys.